Hi guys, so I wanted to show you my new books, and I've not got a tripod, so please excuse me. So this is me unboxing my my proofs. So proofs always come with this, not for resale, but and I can see already the resolution is appalling on this one. I put in an old book cover. I should have redone it really, but let's have a look inside. So this is the first page. Sorry, it's a bit sunny, isn't it? Oh, and look, the illustrations have come out really well. So this is an adult colouring book. I've only called it an adult colouring book because it's got very fine detail. So and then so there are all sorts of different pictures filled with doodles. So I think the inside is fine, it's just I've got to redo the cover and then I can submit that to be printed. So I think that'll be okay. Oh, and look, the back cover's way off as well. That's a bit strange. In fact, the width, I would say, is wrong completely because you can see it going off the side there. So that definitely needs adjusting. That's why it's always worth getting a proof done. Although you have to pay for it and you still have to wait a week and a bit, it's still a good idea to do it. So yeah, I'm not happy with the cover of that one. And then this is my Piggly book. And I'm hoping because I used a previous template, it will be alright. So let's have a little look. The front cover looks alright. Created this pattern for the inside, which looks quite cute. Everything inside. The trouble is that I always find that the print is not particularly amazing, but I never know if it's a fault of the fact that it's a proof and not printed properly. But the illustrations seem to have come out all right. This one looks a tiny bit blurry here, but I wanted it to have that watercolour feel to it, so I think it does have that. All the images seem to be quite central. The watercolour effect does go all the way to the edge. The wording's in the right place. Oh, but this one might be ready to just hit publish. Okay. I don't know why they add so many pages at the end, but the pattern looks like it's fully on. There's nothing cropped out of pages. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I'm going to hit publish on that and get some author copies in, and then I can get that sold. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that one. I do, like I said, I need to do alterations on this one. Basically, this is a book that I created a long time ago, and I redid all the internal illustrations so that the patterns were a bit better. Although I remember thinking at the time this eye bit was odd because it wasn't the right colour. No matter what I did, it just still didn't seem to be the right colour, which was a bit bizarre. But apart from that one, that one's done a similar thing there. I don't know if you can see or not, it's because it's a bit too sunny, but there is a slight different colour on that. Maybe I'll just redo those couple of images. I think I'll be happier if I did that. You can see it here as well. I think it's because I did it so that it turned into a brush, but it was quite a big brush, so it needed to be stretched. But the rest seems to have come out really good, so I'm really pleased with that. So that's brilliant. And then in this heavy box, which I didn't pre-open, which is probably a bit daft. I'm surprised it got to me. Like, they've taken half the address off. That wasn't me doing that. I mean, half the postcode is off. I suppose they go with scanning nowadays, don't they? But oh god. God, it's so hard doing these things with one hand. I'm such an idiot. Okay. Right. Let's have a look. So, oh gosh. Okay, now I hit publish on this because the proof was perfect. But look at it. It's gone fuzzy. That is not good. I don't understand why it's done that, because the proof was absolutely fine. The images inside look absolutely perfect. But that is really annoying. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to republish it and use another ISBN number, I think, because you have to assign an ISBN number per edition. So I'm going to have to do it as another edition, I think, because this one has already been submitted. But what a nightmare. Like I said, the proof was absolutely fine. So that's so disappointing. I'm really not happy with that. I hope these other ones are alright. So these ones are, yeah, these ones are fine. These are the pip and custard ones. I ordered another 10 of these. And these are exactly the same as the other copies that I ordered. They've gone through absolutely fine. But I'm very disappointed with these. I must have saved the wrong PDF or something. It's the only thing I can think of. I've obviously done something, because they can only print what they get given. It's not like they can just sort of make it worse themselves. So I'm just really surprised at that, because like I said, the proof was perfect, which is why I hit go. Well, I'm going to have to investigate that. I am hoping people will still want to buy it, because the inside is still absolutely lovely. It's designed so that you can draw your own face, or rather your child can draw their own face, so that they are the star of every picture inside the book. And I leave the one page blank so that if there's any pen bleed through, it doesn't affect the page below. And also it's a space for children to write a story or talk about the image or anything like that. They can extend it if they want to. So yeah, I'm definitely pleased with the way it's turned out. And I gave them all picture frames, as it were, because trying to get to have the bleed so it all went off the side of the page, it actually lost too much of the picture, and it was too unpredictable as well. Didn't like that. So yeah, I put them in frames, and actually I think they work out much better, so I'm really pleased that I did that. Oh, that cover, that is so upsetting. Still, you know, we have to learn and move on, so we'll do what we can. But these ones are ready to buy. I'll obviously have to discount them slightly because of the funky front covers. So if you want to grab yourself a colouring book bargain, now's your opportunity. Although I'll be putting them, sorry, this shadow is really bad. It's such a lovely day. I'm just sat in completely the wrong place, aren't I? I was hoping to do colouring pencils to go with this set, so I may still do them. I'll see how I go. I'm just a bit sad about that one. It's very pixelated. Still cute, but it's very pixelated, so I'm not happy about that. Anyway, I will see what I can do. I suppose I could plausibly return them all, but they might wonder why I'm returning them all. Because it's, like I said, it's not exactly their fault, it's my fault. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm very excited about them, really, apart from the 2 colouring books that need work doing to them. But the 2 picture books, which I've been writing for such a long time, have gone really well, so I'm really pleased. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.